Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use an audio file while creating a website in CloudMySite. First, open CloudMySite.ai and log into your account. Go to prompt area and click add media. Then click choose from assets and select the audio file you want to use. Once the audio file is added, type your prompt. For example, create a modern web hosting website, add hosting plan, features, customer support, and a get started button. Add the selected audio file in a section below the hero section with a play button. Then click the send message button. Cloud My Site will start creating your website and add the audio player below the hero section. Once the website is ready, review the design and make any changes if needed.
Welcome to CloudMySite, your all-in-one AI platform for building websites, apps, images, videos, logos, and voiceovers.
If everything looks good, click publish to publish your website.
Welcome to CloudMySite, your all-in-one AI platform for building websites, apps, images, videos, logos, and voiceovers.
That's it. This is how you can use an audio file while creating a website in CloudMySite.